our 18-inch stock pot burner. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 18 inches. A depth of 21 inches. Height with legs, 19.25 inches. Without the legs, 15.25 inches tall. Coming to the center will be the main burner, and the measurements for the top burner will include 18 inches in length, by 18 inches in depth. Coming to the top will be 2 adjustment knobs, one to the left and one to the right, to control the flame for the stock pot. Coming below will be a removable drip tray. The measurements for the drip tray will include 14.5 inches in length by 19.5 inches in depth. Tray can be removed and inserted back into the track. Located on the side will be the ETL NSF certification along with BTU information for this stock pot. Coming to the back will be the black pipe to hook up the gas connection. Included will be the propane orifice kit along with a natural gas regulator. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.